Today topic of lecture: design thinking methods for innovation. What is design thinking for innovation? Design thinking and innovation are creative process that look to find innovation solution to old or new businesses and human problems. Design thinking and innovation are creative process that look to find innovation solutions to old or new businesses and human problems. Innovation for design thinking. It is a creative process. It is you solve problems, human solutions for new or old. This innovation also human mean people's problems or issues solve purpose or old business or new businesses change or modifications or think the designs or models, any adjustments based on the human problems. It is a design thinking for innovation. This define means that the process of design thinking and innovation can be applied to any problem. Above definition, you know the process of design thinking and innovation can be applied to any problem. This applied to the any problem of humans, not just designing innovative products or services. Other problems also this use design thinking for innovation. Other functions like HR, human resources department, or human resources also manpower, that also any techniques, any modifications, any technology use, present issues, problems, this apply the design thinking for innovation. Next, finance department also any modifications, any changes, this is of the design thinking innovation. Or sales also, etc. Different fields, it is use of the design thinking for innovation, not only product and services. Apply this concept. Other problem solving purpose also use design thinking for innovation. Next one, design thinking methods for innovation. So many methods for innovation, design thinking. number of above 260. Methods of design thinking for innovation. Some few important methods have known as follows. First one is persona method. Next one, stakeholder map. Next one, customer journey map. Journey. Next one, service blueprint. Next one, business model innovation. Last one, rapid prototype method. These all are design thinking methods for innovation. Some important. First one is persona method. Next one, stakeholder map. Next one, customer journey map. Next one, service blueprint. Next one, business model innovation. Last one, rapid prototype method. These all are some important design thinking method for innovation. I explain one by one now. First one is persona method. It is one of the design thinking method for innovation. Persona means peoples, population. This method is used the basis of people's wants, needs. Identify their problems. That basis the you think the design for innovation or new. Their wants, people's needs, requirement. That basis the you think. Design for innovation. You create a new products, new model. Their wants, their problems, how to solve, any modification, any change in features, their product. It is a persona method of design thinking for innovation. It is based on the persons, peoples. Persona means people. Their needs, their wants, their problem solving purpose, ideas. You create the new solution of their problems. It is a persona method. Next one is stakeholder map. In this one of the method of idea generation. In this method of decision thinking method for innovation. In this based the stakeholders. Who is stakeholders? Stakeholders mean you connection of are related to the business, their product. All are stakeholders. That based the you decided the your decision thinking for innovation. Stakeholders mean users, consumers, or partners in the business. Creditors, employees in the business. Government, all are etc. Other stakeholders. That based the you prepare a in this method. You think decision for innovation. New. It is a stakeholder mapping method. In this method also based the our think decision for innovation. Stakeholders. Stakeholders mean our business related concerned parties, concerned persons, peoples, customers, in the employees of our business, providers of creditors, government, etc. That based the you think the decision for innovation. Innovation, new modification. Next one is customer journey map. In this method is based on the customers. Who is customer? Users or buyers, purchase persons. They based the you decision, you think for innovation. Customers, their life, all starting to ending, all needs, requirement, their problems considered in this method. It is a customer journey map. That based the you decided the decision think for innovation. It is a one of the idea generation, one of the method of decision thinking for innovation. Next one is service blueprint. Blueprint means plan, sketch, future activity. Service also or after sale of product, any problem rise, that solve the or manufacturers. That is a service. This based the service blueprint, how to provide services after sale of product from starting to ending of the product. That purpose you design think for innovation based the service. It is a one of the method of design thinking for innovation. This method is based the services, our product, our goods, our items, provide the service, their users and consumers. Next one is business model innovation. This is also based on the business or market of sales. You think design for innovation, our demand and supply, how to face the competitors. That based the you think design for innovation, market purpose, campaigning, advertisements, etc. You what is model, what is new, or advertisement, or canvas, campaign. These all are considered in this method of design thinking for innovation. Next one, last one, rapid prototype. What is rapid? Rapid means quickly, speed. Prototyping also testing. This is already previously known. Our product, different stages development. This is one of the stage of prototyping or ideas also. You in this stage, you testing, checking our product, our ideas, different stages. It is a evaluate our idea, our product design. All are in this stage. It is a prototyping. In this stage also quickly, speedily completed. No delay. That purpose use this method, rapid prototyping. Rapid means quickly we completed our testing, our design thinking process for innovation. These all are some important methods of design thinking for innovation. First one is persona method. Second one, stakeholder map. Third one, customer journey map. Fourth one, service blueprint. Fifth one, business model innovation. Last one, rapid photo typing. This topic is over. Thank you.